Guys, I'm back with a unboxing of two unboxing this time, two items. TRN BT20S, and this should be the right one, 0.75mm variant, and I picked that because I can use it with 0.75 and 0.78. I didn't want to buy the 0.78 to go to 0.75 because you make the holes too big, but get to that in a bit. And this one is meant to be the 16 core one. I bought these both from the same seller in the 11/11 sale that was on AliExpress. If I can, here we go. So yeah, as far as I know as well, there was some bad press, that's probably the best way to describe it. The 6 core variants and the 8 core ones, which you can get, which are like black and silver or something like that, that some of the actual cores wasn't actually connected together. But as far as I know, the 16 core ones are fine. Oh, okay, here we go. And these resemble like the more expensive, like 6 core, 8 core, 16 core cables you get from, like Yinu, places like that. Oh, that's nice. Oof, yeah. So it looks a lot like the aftermarket cables. Oh, it's quite nice. Feels slightly rubbery. Yeah, and this is I ordered the 3.5 to 0.75 because I don't own anything balanced. I thought if I had a balanced player, I probably would have bought the 2.5 variant. Anything else in the box? Nope. 0.75. So they even do 4.4. There's the length. They've got a website, blah blah blah. Really small box, but let's have a look. Focus. So they are like a fake carbon fibre. Strain relief seems good. Nice and soft. Wide split with no strain relief. Oh, got a chin slider. Doesn't seem to work very well. Yeah, so chin slider, that's not that effective. See, it's too big. Okay, that makes no difference to me because I don't use them anyway. So blue for left. Obviously very soft, so I don't see any problems with these. I won't review these. This is just something you'll just see in this unbox because it's just a cable. If there's a problem with this cable, I'll let you know when I review that at another time. Does it say L or R? Focus. No, just a colour. So obviously red's for left, red's for right, blue is for left. That's it. Seems good. I'll try that with a bunch of my KZs and TRNs and some other stuff I've got. But this is the one I was really looking forward to. The only negative thing I've heard about this is if you use it with sensitive earphones, you can hear the hiss. Oh, that look quite nice. That's the only thing I've heard that's bad about them. So yeah, it uses Qualcomm. I think it's 30. What's the chipset? 3020 QCC 3020. I could be wrong. So obviously it supports AAC if you've got an iPhone, and obviously it's got aptX Not aptex HD or anything, just normal aptex, which should, for what you're paying, should be okay. 8-hour battery life, I doubt that, maybe 7. Bluetooth 5. Charging voltage 5 volts 1 amp. So your cell phone charger. 10 meters. If your phone's on you, or your DAP, like my Shanling, I'll probably use it with something like this, like my Shanling, because this can do aptex from this to these, so it should be fine. And there's all your Bluetooth profiles. That's it really, quite straightforward. I'll get to that in a bit. So this should be a USB that splits into 2. I think it's something like QC, quality check, if it really means anything. Warranty card, the usual you get with all the TRN stuff. 1 year warranty. But try actually claiming on that if it actually fails, because some of the sellers can be nightmares to deal with. Oh, is this? Yeah, so it's Chinese. Yeah, Chinese on one side and English on the other. Binaural, blah 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 blah. 1 pair. Yeah, it splits into 2. Instruction certificate. Charge interface, so you charge in the bottom. LED. The button has multiple uses. You guys can see that. Obviously I'll check all that out. And yeah, Chinese. It's the same cable. This is the same kind of bag they use for everything. But yeah, this is one that's going to be quite proprietary. So yeah, USB, and it splits into 2. So don't lose these, because they'll be a pain in the neck to find. Okay. Yeah, the difference between the BT20, which is still available, and this S, is the BT20 is more of a gloss finish, so it's more shiny. This is slightly matte. That's actually quite stiff. Bluetooth 5, quite light. So it's alpha right, and this obviously should say alpha left. Yeah, quite light really. This no real weight. I'll have to see if that, because that's quite stiff, if that's actually a good fit. I'll figure that out. That's it, guys. So yeah, when I do the review of this, I'll let you guys know as well what that cable's like. The 16 cord TRN cable. It should be fine. It seems a good option for what, $10 if that, or well, I think that's around £6 for that cable. Especially you can have is 2.5, 3.5, 4.4 as well. Like I've seen 0.75, 0.78 and MMCX, so it's got everyone covered. So that's it, I'm out, and I'll be back in a few days with a review. See you in the next video.